Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing a hair care line review. I did not put my thoughts together before I started this video, obviously. I realized when I was looking at the clips of me actually doing my hair, I didn't do a great explanation of what we're doing today in this video. So I got this package in PR from this hair care brand that I have never heard of. Maybe you guys have. It's called Evo Curl. Super cute marketing, super cute packaging, and I thought it would be fun to review. I asked you guys over on Instagram if you guys wanted to see a review. Make sure you guys follow me over there because I do a lot of polls about videos that end up over here. But you guys said yes, so that is what we're going to be doing today. If you guys would like to see what I think about this hair care brand, then just keep on watching. So I have the products right here. I did already take out the shampoo and the curl treatment because I just washed my hair. I didn't film that part because honestly, I was sitting on the floor looking at these products a good 5-10 minutes because I was really trying to figure out what exactly I needed to use that was gonna make sense, because there is no conditioner in this collection. They have a deep clean rinse, which is the shampoo, and I use this in my hair as the first step. And then they also have a co-wash. A co-wash is pretty good to have if you're someone that likes to style your hair more frequently. I didn't use that in this video. What I ended up doing, I shampooed my hair with the deep clean rinse, and then I went in with the curl treatment. So mini review on these two products. The shampoo, I had to shampoo my hair twice to kind of get it to really lather, and even then it didn't really lather, but my hair is pretty dirty, so I will give it that. But I probably wouldn't use this as my regular shampoo when I want to really clean my hair. And then I went in with the curl treatment. It's a intense rinse out moisturizing treatment. On the spectrum of like conditioner and how much conditioner makes your hair soft when you put it in, this is a lesser version of that, so it did the job a little bit. I'm cool with the results I got from the shampoo and the curl treatment, but definitely kind of like take it or leave it almost. So we're gonna move on to the styling products. We have the Total Recoil Curl Definer, and it's a stronghold curl defining cream like that. And then we have the Liquid Rollers Curl Balm. Helps to put moisture and shine back where the dry and twisted sat before. I really like the packaging of their products. They just have like cutesy like paragraphs on everything. Okay, so the way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to apply the oh wait, I still have a towel on my head. Oh, I forgot to say something else. The shampoo and the curl treatment, they both smelled so good. The shampoo smelled like cologne, like a really nice cologne. And the curl treatment, I'm not quite sure what that smelled like, but it smelled really good. I couldn't quite put my finger on it. So I'm just kind of shaking my hair out. I'm honestly tempted to do a wash and go because I'm kind of lazy today, but no. So I am actually going to do a flat twist. So I asked you guys on Instagram for hair inspo. A few of you guys actually said flat twist, and I was like, you know what? I have not done that in so long. So I'm going to just section my hair front to back. This is kind of what we're working with. Start in the center, and I guess like a regular person will get a rat tail comb and actually make perfect parts, but so now I'm going to start with the Liquid Rollers Curl Balm. Apply about that much to this section. Oh, this smells good too. All of their products smell good. So I'm just adding a little bit more of that product. And then I'm gonna go in with the Total Recoil product. Apply the Total Recoil, and of course this smells good too. It's nice to have some smelly goods for your hair. I realize this is probably looking super messy right now for all my perfectionists out there. It'll still come out good. So I just twisted that to the scalp and then working my way down. I'm gonna leave that like that for now because I'm actually gonna apply rollers at the end. I know, I'm not gonna do the hanging bantu knot technique today, just roller, but I'm gonna do that at the end. So I'm just gonna continue to do this all over my head. I'm applying the product and then twisting it to the scalp, and I will will pop back in to let you guys know how it's going. So I wanted to let you guys know that I am getting some stickiness, unfortunately. I'm pretty sure that it's the curl definer. I don't think the curl balm is the problem. I'm pretty sure it's the curl definer. But one thing I am liking about these products is that they're pretty lightweight. So I feel like it's gonna be some good results because of that. But yeah, I wanted to let you guys know I am getting some stickiness, which isn't my favorite, but you know. Okay, so I just got finished. I'm gonna put a little bit of the curl definer on the back of my hand. And these are the rollers that I'm gonna be using. They're just perm rods. I don't know the diameter or anything of them, but you can just kind of compare the size. But I'm taking a little bit of that product and adding a little bit more before I roll it up. And I'm not doing the rollers in any particular order. I'm not putting pink ones on certain areas and blue ones on the other. It's just whatever I pick up. They're pretty similar in size, but the pinkish orangish ones, whatever color they are a little bit bigger. Okay, so we just finished our hair. Now I'm going to let it air dry overnight and we'll see how it looks in the morning. Okay, you guys, it is the next day slash evening. It's literally 4:24. I am taking down the rollers on the ends because I'm about to actually go work out and I don't want to take my hair down completely yet. I want to work out first and then take down, but the ends are super curly. Like you can see the ringlet, so it curled that way. This is literally all I'm doing. I just wanted to make sure that I showed you guys this part so it's not like me coming back after my workout with no rollers. You guys will probably be like, hey, what happened? So the truth is I came back from my workout and I went to sleep. So it is the next day. So next day after me first styling my hair. So we're gonna take this down and see what we got. Because I'm reviewing this, I don't want to add any additional products that isn't Evo. So I'm not going to take it down with oil like I usually do. Oh, I see flakes coming off. They're like flying everywhere. It is so early, you guys. I still have like that voice. I guess it's not that early. It's early for me. It's 8:52. And while I be up at this time, I don't be talking at this time. That's the difference. Now I will say from taking it down, my hair doesn't feel super hydrated. It feels more like I probably put a gel on it. But both products were cream consistency. But it is giving me definition, as you guys can see, like my usual definition that I get. But my hair is so dry, you guys. Like the more I'm feeling it, the more I'm like, ooh. All right, you guys, so took down my hair, finished my makeup. Now it's time for final thoughts. So the things that I like about the products is I like the fact that my hair is defined. It didn't come out looking crazy or anything like that. It does have a lot of body, like I can shake and move my hair, which is really nice. However, the things that I don't like might outweigh that, only because I do have a lot of flakes in my hair. Literally every time I touch my hair, a cloud of flakes just appears. And of course I picked the wrong day to wear black and my hair is dry, but it definitely did give me the definition that I like. Now on the info about the products that they sent to me, these products are for all curl type, even 4C hair, but for me in particular it isn't hydrating enough for me, and I do have 4C hair, as you guys know. Another thing that I did want to point out is that even though the products didn't totally work well together because they did give me flakes, they do say in the directions that you can use them together. So I don't think I did anything wrong as far as on that detail, but the biggest thing that I would say is that it just isn't hydrating enough for my hair type. So I'm super glad that I was able to try these products though. That is my full thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it before you leave, and subscribe before you leave as well. And I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. I will be why do they cut the grass every freaking week?